How can I add rich context to Matplotlib bar charts using annotations? Imagine looking at a simple bar chart and instantly understanding the story behind the numbers. That's what annotations can do for your charts. They add extra details right where viewers need them most. When you create a bar chart with Matplotlib, you start with the basic plot. You use the bar function to draw your bars, which representing your data points. But to make your chart more informative, you can add annotations that explain or highlight specific parts. Annotations are like notes or comments that you place directly on the chart. In Matplotlib, the main tool for this is the Annotate function. It allows you to add text labels at any point on your plot, with optional arrows pointing to the exact data point. To use it, you specify the text you want to display, the coordinates of the point you want to annotate, and how the text and arrows should look. For example, after plotting your bars, you can loop through each one to add labels showing their heights. You get the height of each bar with getHeight, then call Annotate to place a label just above the bar. You can position the label slightly offset from the bar to prevent overlap. To make your annotations stand out, you can customize the font size, color, and style. You can also add arrows with different colors and line styles to point directly to the data. If you want to label all your bars quickly, Matplotlib offers a helper function called barLabel. It automatically adds labels to each bar, saving you time. Using annotations is especially helpful when you want to highlight key data points, such as the highest or lowest values, or explain unusual spikes or drops. They make your charts clearer and easier to interpret without needing to look at the axes or external notes. To do this well, start by creating your bar chart with axbar. Then loop through each bar object, retrieve its height, and add an annotation with axAnnotate. Adjust the position so the label sits just above the bar, and add arrows if needed. You can also format the labels to include units or specific details, making your chart more meaningful. Remember, annotations are not just for numbers. You can add comments or explanations that help tell the story behind the data. For example, you might note that a spike was due to a special event or that a dip coincides with a holiday. This way, your chart becomes a storybook of data, with each annotation guiding your viewers through the insights. By mastering these annotation techniques, you turn simple bar charts into powerful visual tools that communicate complex information clearly and effectively. It's a straightforward way to add context, highlight important points, and make your data visualization more engaging and informative.